Grid Interactive smooth transition control of wind solar DG-based microgrid at unpredictable weather conditions.
Abstract.
In this project, we aim to develop a reliable microgrid system integrating wind, solar, and diesel generator power sources to ensure continuous power supply during both on-grid and off-grid modes in unpredictable weather conditions. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this project, the block diagram illustrates Grid Interactive wind solar DG-based AMG with a battery bank. The DFIG driven by the wind turbine has two VSCs, namely CRS and CLS, with a common DC link along with a battery between rotor windings and PCI. The PV array is connected to the same DC link through a boost converter. The transformer is connected at the AC side of CLS. The connection of TF reduces the battery voltage and the required DC link capacitance. It also avoids the problem of overmodulation of CRS as the rotor has lower voltage. Moreover, Y side of TF feeds local loads. The grid and DG are connected to PCI through STSs. To reduce switching ripples in voltage, ripple filters are used. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.